Ghetto superstar, that is what you are. Coming from afar, reaching for the stars. Run away with me to another place. I'm making my birthday dress, y'all. It's less than 2 weeks until my birthday, and I decided, let's make the dress today. I'm a I'm a last minute kind of girl, and I'm trying to get out of that, okay? So, my birthday dress colors are neon green, silver, and a little bit of white. I'm excited, y'all. I'm just. Here's the piece that's going on top of the neon green. So, what I'm going to do now is sew those parts together, sew those pieces together of the dress, try it on to see if I can fit it, if I need to take anything in. And yeah. This is the only fabric I have like this. This is all that I have with this fabric. So I'm trying not to overthink it. But I am. I just want to get it right. And I'm trying to put the main design of this fabric like centered with the dress. This is how the front of the dress is looking. I'm really happy about it so far. Now I'm moving on to the back of the dress, and let me try to open this with my hand. So the back of the dress is gonna have this detail at the bottom because, as you can see, it's not enough to cover the whole dress. So I just figured let's just cut all of that, cut all of this off, leave this, sew it, and then yeah, we're gonna see how that looks on it. And maybe I'll like add some detailing on the top right here, this part, because I have a few pieces. I also have this strip left, And maybe I like cut this out, this little Z design thing. You see the C? And maybe this, and put it on the top of the dress, or something in the middle, whatever, just so it won't be like, well, it would be okay either way, whether the top is plain or has a design on it, but we're just gonna see. So I'm gonna cut this out, pin it, sew it, and I'll see y'all when it's done. So y'all, this is how it's looking so far. I like it so far. I'm not done attaching this just yet, as you can see, but I think it's really freaking cute. Now this part right here, my plan was not for it to have it hanging like this. I really wanted it to be like a gathered look or something. I'm gonna insert a picture of my idea of how I want the dress to be, but so far so good. And I'm thinking, how about attach some of these, like have it hanging on random parts of the dress. Not too much, not a lot, just a little bit, just to give it just a little more detail. I mean, the dress is detailed enough, but why not? It's my birthday. Whatever. Who cares? So I'm gonna continue sewing on this piece, and I'm gonna sew it together. I'm probably gonna add a zipper, but the only zipper I have that can go with my look is this pink one. A zipper on the side, whatever. Cause I have this small pink bag that I bought. Unless I just go to the store and get a silver or lime green zipper. If I don't go to the store, then the pink one will do. That's if I need a zipper. But yeah, I love how the light is hitting it. Okay, talk to y'all later. It's been a while since I picked up this camera. My phone, whatever. And press record, right? So we have about 11 days until we have about 11 days until Jamaica. We have about 11 days till we go to Jamaica, and I still have like 4 things. About 4 things that I have to complete. Y'all see my birthday dress? Yo, wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's it. That's what you get for now. So it's really like crunch time right now, cause I'm a little yeah, my timing, I'm working on my timing. I'm working on my time management, okay? I am. But I'm finishing up this bathing suit. This will be done within the next couple minutes, okay? And then I'm gonna go over and start this 2-piece set that I want to do. That should be quick. That should be really quick. So I hope y'all enjoying this video so far. I hope y'all enjoying this video. I'm gonna continue sewing. And yeah. Yes. Peace. Hey y'all, I'm back. The dress is like 98% done. I want to do this little cute little detail at the bottom, like take the white parts off and have just the silver things just laying down on my leg. Let me show y'all. So I'm gonna see how it would look if it was just like this all around. If I don't like it, I'm gonna just cut it off and, you know, hem it or whatever. But I started cutting that and I cut that out. I'm probably gonna cut it a little bit more. But yeah, so far so good. The last bits of the dress is getting sewn. This is the front of the dress. I'm hemming it and then I am complete. Well, she is complete. Okay, let's go.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time. It's the same yellow skirt.
My shoes. I was thinking they was, well, I was pretty optimistic about it. It was, the tracking was saying that it's in my country, but it was taking a pretty long time. And it's finally here. Are you ready?
Yes, I am. I'm nervous. Is that the entire outfit?
No, shoes. I guess it's a shoe bag. Oh, this kind of cute. Wait, what is this?
Probably a shoe
Oh my
cover. I think it's a shoe cover.
God! Oh, it's a scarf.
So it probably is.
You want this for Christmas?
Yeah, I guess. I've never seen you wear a pair of heels.
Oh my God!
That is cute. There's no. That's actually really cute.
Oh, this fire!
I never seen a pair of heels like
Oh
that.
my goodness!
Oh my goodness. Those are so long time.
Wear it, girl. These fire.
Ooh, that's